3 essential steps to add intensity to your goals. Do you want to know the secret to really achieving your biggest dreams? The secret sauce is to add intensity to your goals. Make them big, think big, act big. Oftentimes, people fall short of achieving their best life because they run out of energy or motivation. They get sidetracked, distracted. But load your goals with intensity and you'll be powering ahead. Here are 3 things you can do to turbocharge your goals with intensity. 1. Make it all about you. Probably you weren't encouraged to put yourself front and center. Did your mom tell you not to be selfish? Did your dad tell you to share? That's a good way to get on with people, but putting yourself second or third won't help you get ahead. Add intensity by putting yourself center stage. Make yourself the hero of your life story. Imagine yourself sometime down the track. You've achieved your goals, you're living your dream life. How does it feel? What makes you strong and happy and proud? Build your strengths, lift your weak points, and focus on making Project You the center of your life. 2. Dream big. What's your big vision? Do you want to be president? CEO of your own company? Do you want to win an Oscar, maybe a Nobel Prize or a Pulitzer? No one got anywhere by staying small. Whatever your dream is, make it as big as you can. It might seem daring, even impossible, or boastful. But think hard. How do you want to make your mark on the world? Ramp it up and make it as big as you can. Intensify it. That's your goal. 3. Go for it. Big dreams, big goals don't mean anything unless you act on them. It's up to you to make it happen. The longer the gap between creating your vision and acting, the less likely you are to do anything at all, and your big dream becomes a pipe dream, a might have been. Start by working out a plan on how to get there. Do you need new skills? Do you need to reach out to people in your network for advice or mentoring? Most importantly, make the commitment to direct your energy into making your goals your reality. Ramp up your dedication and ramp up your efforts. Add intensity to your goals and your desires to achieve them. With determination and intensity, you're already on your path to success.